Hey guys, Technoventure with a quick fix video for you guys. Now, if your iPhone 11 series is not responding, unresponsive, or it's frozen, you can't do anything, you want to apply this quick fix that'll get you back up and running in a minute. So first thing is you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button. We're going to press the volume up and then let it go quickly, and then press and release the volume down button quickly, and then hold this side button until the screen goes completely black. And once you see the Apple logo appear, we will let go of that button. So it's volume up, volume down, and then we're going to hold that side button. Now for this method, you do not need to touch the screen or anything. Just keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. As you can see, it's black. That's fine. We're going to keep on holding it until we see the Apple logo appear, and at that time we'll let go of that side button. And you might have to do it a few times. Make sure you press and release the volume up followed by volume down quickly, and then keep on holding that side button. And all this is doing is shutting down the phone software completely and reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue, which most likely is the case, it will fix your iPhone 11 series and you should be up and running. This method is completely safe, will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, and such. And after that, I hope you're up and running. And if this video was helpful, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.